Okay, so should you do full body workouts or split routine workouts? Well, the answer to this is
brought to you by Lean Body, the #1 protein shake in gyms across America.
Hey guys, Lee Labrada here. If you're over 40 and you want to get an idea of how to organize your weight training workouts, then this video is for you. We're going to take a look at both full body workouts and split routine workouts to find out which one is right for you. But first, will you please hit the subscribe button? This is just one of the many videos you'll find on this channel that can help you get into the best shape of your life, and I don't want you to miss any of them as I create them. Okay, so should you do full body workouts or split routine workouts? Well, the answer to this is going to depend primarily on how much experience you have. A full body workout is one in which you train the entire body in one workout. Generally speaking, beginners can benefit greatly from a full body workout. And one of the best ways to do a full body workout is to perform a circuit. Simply pick one exercise for each body part. For example, you'd pick one exercise for your back muscles, one exercise for your shoulders, one exercise for your chest, and so forth. Once you've selected your exercises, start the circuit by performing the first exercise, then rest long enough to catch your breath before performing the next exercise, and so forth until you've done all of the exercises you've selected. If you're just getting started or you've been out of the gym for a long time, I recommend that you do the entire circuit just one time. Don't overdo it at first. Now, once you've worked out several times, you can cycle through the circuit twice. Then you can work your way up to 3 times through the circuit. I like using exercise machines for circuit training and full body workouts. If you're going to use free weights, choose compound movements such as bench press for the chest, squats for the legs, deadlifts for the backs, and bent over rows for the lats, which target major muscle groups. I'd recommend that you perform your full body workout 3 times per week, say on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, for example. So now that brings us to the next question. When's a good time to switch to a split routine? A split routine, as the name implies, involves splitting up your workouts so that you train different muscle groups on different days. My recommendation is that you make the decision based on how well you're recovering from your full body workouts. So in other words, if you find that you can't recover completely from a full body workout from one day to the next, it's probably time to split it up. Splitting the routine up allows you to do more work for each muscle group and add more exercises for each body part, which in turn allows you to work your muscles from more angles. But it also builds in more rest so that your muscles can get bigger and stronger. If you want to try this, I recommend that you start with a simple 3-day push-pull split. So, what's a push-pull split routine? It means that you train your pushing muscles on one day and you train your pulling muscles on another day. For example, on Monday, you train chest, shoulders, and triceps, which are your pushing muscles. You rest on Tuesday, then on Wednesday, you train all your pulling muscles, say your back and your biceps. And then you rest on Thursday. On Friday, you train your quadriceps, your thighs, your hamstrings, and your calves, and your abs. This split gives your muscles more exercises on the designated days, but also provides more rest for them during the week, which improves muscle recovery and growth. An additional benefit is that it helps you to keep your weekends free, providing a couple of days of extra recovery as well. Now, this is only one example of a split routine that will work for you, but of course, it is a split routine that can help you transition from a full body workout program to more advanced split routines. If you're doing the work in the gym and you're following a healthy lifestyle that includes good nutrition and rest, and you're disciplined enough to make these things a habit and do them consistently, you will build muscle. And if you've watched this far, you're probably thinking that you want to try this. Just do it. The time is now. Don't put it off another day. Start that program and you'll be on your journey towards lifelong better health and a leaner body. I hope that this helps and points you in the right direction. If you found this video helpful, please share it with one other person who could benefit from watching, and please click the subscribe button now. All right, you guys, stay lean, healthy, and strong.